Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things business, real estate, and technology. Here at House Lux Estate, we're all about empowering you with knowledge and insights to help you thrive in the fast-paced world of today. From the latest in tech innovations to real estate tips and the nitty-gritty of running a successful business, we've got you covered. With a plethora of content at your disposal, you'll find that we're dedicated to giving you the tools you need to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or simply a curious mind, our channel is a treasure trove of valuable information, all curated and designed to give you the edge in your business and personal ventures. Today, we delve into the world of artificial intelligence, specifically its application in business logistics and supply chains. Buckle up, it's going to be an enlightening ride. But first, what is artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known? Well, think of AI as a well-trained assistant who never gets tired, can sift through millions of data points in seconds, and learns from every interaction to get better and better at their job. This assistant isn't a human, but a highly sophisticated system of algorithms and computer processes. AI, in its simplest form, is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It's a broad field that includes everything from Google's search algorithms to Tesla's self-driving cars. It's been around since the mid-20th century, but it's only in the last couple of decades that it's really taken off, thanks to the advent of big data and increased computing power. There are two main types of AI. Narrow AI, which is designed to perform a narrow task such as voice recognition, and general AI, which can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks. Most of what we see today is narrow AI, but researchers are working hard to develop general AI. AI is important because it can process and analyze large amounts of data far more quickly and accurately than a human can. It can recognize patterns, make predictions, and make decisions based on the data it's been given. This makes it incredibly valuable in today's data-driven world. For businesses, AI can automate routine tasks, analyze customer behavior, and even predict future trends. This can lead to increased efficiency, better decision-making, and ultimately, higher profits. However, AI isn't just a tool for businesses. It's also being used to tackle some of the world's biggest challenges, from climate change to healthcare. And as AI continues to evolve, its potential applications are only going to grow. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI, how then does it apply to business logistics and supply chains? Let's dive into that in the next scene. Logistics is the backbone of any business operation, and AI is transforming this crucial component. In our interconnected world, the smooth functioning of business logistics is more essential than ever. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly important role in optimizing these operations. First, let's talk about automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic roles. Think of a warehouse where robots, guided by AI algorithms, handle storage and retrieval of goods. This not only speeds up processes, but also reduces the risk of human error. Next, predictive analytics. This is where AI truly shines. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can forecast demand, helping businesses plan their inventory more effectively. With AI's ability to make predictions based on patterns and trends, companies can avoid both overstocking and understocking situations. This means less wasted resources and more satisfied customers. AI also enhances real-time tracking. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect to know the status of their orders at any given moment. AI-powered systems can provide this information accurately and in real time. This goes beyond simple parcel tracking. AI can monitor the entire logistics network, predicting and mitigating potential disruptions. Moreover, AI can optimize routes for delivery vehicles based on traffic conditions, weather, and other variables. This means faster deliveries and lower fuel costs, contributing to both customer satisfaction and a greener planet. Lastly, AI can help in decision-making. By analyzing past performance and current conditions, AI can provide insights and recommendations. This means businesses can make more informed decisions, leading to improved operational efficiency. In short, AI is revolutionizing business logistics. It's not just about robots and algorithms. It's about using technology to make smarter decisions, streamline operations, and ultimately deliver better service to customers. With AI, businesses can streamline their logistics, leading to improved efficiency and cost savings. The supply chain is another area where AI is making significant strides. This transformation is not just about futuristic visions, it's about tangible changes that are happening right now, reshaping how businesses manage their supply chains. One of the most significant areas of impact is demand forecasting. Traditionally, businesses have relied on manual, time-consuming processes that often lead to inaccurate predictions. But with AI, this is changing. Advanced algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including past sales, market trends, and even weather patterns, to make highly accurate predictions. This means fewer surprises and more efficient planning, but it doesn't stop there. AI is also revolutionizing inventory management. It's a challenging task to strike the right balance between having enough stock to meet demand and not tying up too much capital in unsold goods. AI can help businesses find that sweet spot. It can predict when stock levels are likely to run low and trigger automatic reordering, reducing the risk of stockouts and overstock. Lastly, let's talk about supplier selection. This may seem like a straightforward task, but it's a complex decision-making process involving many variables. AI can analyze supplier data, taking into account factors like cost, quality, reliability, and delivery times to identify the best suppliers for a business. This helps to minimize risk and maximize value in the supply chain. So, what does all this mean? Well, AI in supply chains is about more than just automation. It's about making supply chains smarter, more responsive, and more efficient. It's about leveraging vast amounts of data to make better decisions, faster. It's about reducing risk, improving accuracy, and ultimately driving business success. AI in supply chains brings about improved accuracy, reduced risk, and better decision-making. The future of supply chains is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. So, how can you leverage AI in your business logistics and supply chain? Well, it starts with identifying your needs. Think about the areas in your business where efficiency could be improved. Maybe it's inventory management, perhaps it's delivery routes, or it could be demand forecasting. Pinpoint these areas and start exploring how AI can provide solutions. Next, it's time to choose the right AI tools. There is a plethora of AI platforms and software out there, each with its unique strength. Some are excellent for data analysis, while others excel in automating repetitive tasks. Do your research, ask for recommendations, and select the tools that align with your specific needs. Once you've selected your tools, it's time for training. Now don't fret. You don't need to be a tech wizard to operate these systems. Many AI tools come with user-friendly interfaces and plenty of support. Also, remember that AI learns from data, so the more data you feed it, the better it gets at its job. Therefore, ensure that your data is clean, organized, and accurate. But what about cost, you may ask? Yes, implementing AI does require an initial investment. However, consider it a long-term investment. The efficiencies gained, the time saved, and the reduction in human error will result in significant cost savings over time. In fact, it's estimated that businesses using AI in their supply chain could reduce operational costs by up to 25%. Now, you've implemented AI, but the job isn't over yet. It's crucial to evaluate its performance regularly. Are you seeing improvements? Are there any issues? It's always good to keep an eye on how things are going, adjusting and tweaking as needed. Implementing AI might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's a game changer. AI is here to stay, and those who adopt it early will be the ones who reap the most benefits. So take that step, embrace the future, and watch as your business logistics and supply chain transform for the better. So that's a wrap on how AI can optimize your business logistics and supply chains. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the basics of artificial intelligence to its application in business logistics and supply chains. Remember, AI can streamline your business processes, allowing for more efficient order processing, inventory management, and transportation logistics. It's all about making data-driven decisions that can save you time and money. In supply chains, AI can be a game changer. It can predict demand, optimize routes, and even automate purchasing decisions, leading to improved operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Implementing AI in your business is not an overnight process, but the rewards can be substantial. Start small, maybe with a pilot project, and gradually expand as you gain confidence and see the benefits. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time, keep innovating.